Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with power off. This protects hardware and ensures correct detection. First, position the monitors where you want them, then find the VGA port on each display and on your PC. If you need an adapter, display port to VGA or HDMI to VGA. Attach it now because adapters change signal flow. Once done, align the 15-pin connector, insert gently, and tighten the thumb screws so the connection remains stable. This prevents loose signals and flicker during setup. With the cables secure, boot the computer so the OS can detect both screens. Open Display Settings, click Detect if one monitor is blank. Choose Extend to expand your workspace or Duplicate if you want the same image. You set which monitor is primary here. Then set resolution and orientation per monitor. Match native resolution for sharp text. If scaling looks off, tweak scaling percentage to balance size versus clarity. Make sure refresh rates and resolution are supported by both displays to avoid tearing. Finally, secure cables and tidy them to avoid strain on ports. Test by dragging a window across both screens to confirm they operate as one desktop. If a monitor stays black, first retighten the VGA screws and reseat the connector. Loose pins are common. If still dead, swap cables or try the adapter on a different port to isolate the fault. As a key troubleshooting tip, update graphics drivers and reboot. Outdated drivers often block multi-monitor detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.